Question 33. Which of the following typically occurs when a procedure call is executed on a processor? 1. The program counter is updated. 2. The stack pointer is updated. 3. The data cache is flushed to avoid aliasing problems. Well, basically the way to answer this question is to know the definitions of these terms. What is the program counter? The program counter is the instruction pointer. It points to where the instructions are. So let's suppose you have a program and it's going down along. Every time it executes the next line of instructions, it updates the program counter. So this happens every time. So of course that one's going to be one of them. Now the second one, you can look that up on the internet or something like that, but that's what that is. The second one is a stack pointer. Now the stack pointer, what they're talking about is the call stack. The call stack's main purpose is to handle where to return after a subroutine gets called. So you've got this stack, and it has a program that's running right now. Let's call this one P1 here. This is program 1. And now it says, hey, wait a second, I need to call a subroutine, okay? Well, what's it going to do? And right now, the stack pointer is going to be here, okay? When it says that it's going to call a subroutine, which would be a procedure call, whatever you want to call it, same thing. It's going to call program 2, and it's going to update the stack pointer, okay? And then it's going to start a whole new one of these things. So it's going to start from 0 or 1, whatever. It's going to have a whole new program counter list here. And so these two are definitely going to be updated when a procedure call is executed. Now the other one here, the data cache, there may well be an instruction. Well, there's an instruction cache, but there's a data cache too, but they're separate things. The instruction cache and the data cache are completely irrelevant of one another. The subroutine you're calling might not even use any data. You know, so there's no real reason to update the cache. And as far as aliasing problems, that's for virtual memory and so forth. It really doesn't have to do with this. So anyway, the question asks, you know, which of these is typically occurs following a procedure call. These are the two. 1 and 2 are the ones that occur, and that's answer C.